Kospi has exploded higher plus 7.42% to $8,726.60, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, June 16th, and this is your complete global market briefing. Markets are charging higher today, with risk appetite firmly back on. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 edged higher plus 0.50% to $7,431.46. Investor sentiment is being shaped by stocks fall as US-Iran tension spurs rally in oil, markets wrap. NASDAQ 100 is trading higher by plus 0.64%, at $29,636. Equity markets are responding to reports that got $1,500. 3 no-brainer artificial intelligence, ARI, semiconductor stocks to buy before they saw once again the motley fool. Dow Jones is up plus 1.62%, trading at $51,671. Equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver rate today, check 24K, 22K rates in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad NDTV profit. DAX climbed plus 1.71% to $25,056. This comes as stocks fall as US-Iran tension spurs rally in oil, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. FTSE 100 is broadly flat at $10,489, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Rocket Lab surged plus 6.70% to $109.25 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SpaceX soars 16%, Rocket Lab gains 7%, Virgin Galactic drops 4%. Why space stocks are diverging today, 24/7 Wall St. Meta surged plus 4.77% to $593.48 in a significant session. Equity markets are responding to reports that Meta shares jump more than 4% in morning trading, climbing toward $590 as investors reassess ARI spending plans. ECX.org. ExxonMobil plunged minus 4.14% to $140.92 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by here's how ExxonMobil's advantaged assets drive growth and resilience, TradingView. TSMC surged plus 4.12% to $441.40 in a significant session. Investor sentiment is being shaped by TSMC's $165 billion Arizona Gigafab, Reshaping Us Chips, 2026, tech-insider.org. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as stocks fall as US-Iran tension spurs rally in oil, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that gold, silver rate today, check 24K, 22K rates in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Hyderabad NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude dropped sharply to $81.72 per barrel, down 1.74% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stocks fall as US-Iran tension spurs rally in oil, markets wrap. WTI crude plunged to $77.96 per barrel, down 3.46% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that stocks fall as US-Iran tension spurs rally in oil, markets wrap. Natural gas edged higher to $3.19, up 1.33% on the session. This comes as stocks fall as US-Iran tension spurs rally in oil, markets wrap, adding pressure to energy markets. Gold edged higher to $4,365.60 per troy ounce, up 0.87% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that Goldman Sachs cuts 2027 oil price estimate on demand uncertainty. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Let us give you our near-term view on KOSPI. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $9,250.20 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In the currency markets, euro to US dollar is at 1.16, gaining 0.02% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.34, losing 0.24% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 160.34, gaining 0.24% on the day. The move in the dollar reflects reports that European Central Bank lifts interest rate amid rising inflation. World Socialist website. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. A quick like takes 1 second and helps this channel grow. We genuinely appreciate it. Subscribe for daily coverage across every major market. Tell us in the comments what you are watching most closely right now. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.